That is an amazing plate of pork chops. Gonna be the best you ever ate. Broccoli, garlic, and powder on the Blackstone. Let's get inside and give this a taste test, guys. Let's go. Hey guys, and welcome to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so glad that you are joining us today. And if we got something in store for you, it is pork chops on the Blackstone, and we're using something that you probably don't really associate with pork chops, and that is this injectable Creole style butter. Now, most people think about that as turkeys and chicken, doing it right at Thanksgiving time on the fried turkeys, but I'm telling you guys, you can do this on these pork chops, and you can see I don't have a real thick pork chop. This is gonna be real quick, real easy, not gonna take any time at all to cook on the Blackstone, but what you need is you need a little bit of this injectable marinade right here. You want our marinade of your choice, whatever you want to do. Onion powder, we got coarse ground black pepper, we got garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and we've got some butter. We're gonna do olive oil. Butter is gonna be one of the biggest keys in this. Don't worry, I will put the entire recipe in the description down below. Also, we're gonna do a little bit of broccoli on the Blackstone. You don't wanna miss this. Guys, if you haven't already, we'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we've got coming to you from right here at No Coffee Needed. Go ahead and give us a big thumbs up, make some comments down below. If you try our recipes, let us know how it goes. If you want to try this, or you've got a recipe you want us to try, make a comment down below. We would love to hear from you. 100% love to hear from you. And anything you've got going on in your kitchen, we'd love to give you a big shout out. Absolutely, that's what we love to do. Anyway, this is what we've got going on. So guys, we've got the Blackstone heated up. This is all you need to do is go ahead and take this injection right here, and you want to inject it. Now I leave these thin ones laying on, I leave them laying on the cutting board, and the little slits where this marinade comes out, I make sure it goes side to side and not up and down. And we just stick it in there. You go slow because with these thin pork chops, it will squirt out on you. And just make sure you continue to push that all the way through. You want to do that in a couple of little places. You saw it squirt out right there, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and get this done. You can go in from the top if you want to. That's hard to do with these thin ones. And it doesn't take a lot. Once you get all these done, we're gonna take it, a little bit of salt. Doesn't take much salt on this pork. And you're just gonna kind of layer it on just like you want to do it. So then we've got this onion powder. Woo. And you'll do that, all of this on both sides. A little bit of black pepper. Whew, I love that coarse ground black pepper. Man, it just adds something to it. Then we're gonna we just take our garlic, sprinkle it on there. We like a lot of garlic with ours. Pat that on there. Doesn't take much. You're gonna do both sides. Oh goodness, a lot of onion on that one. A little bit of garlic. That one will be mine. I like a lot of onion powder on mine. I don't know about you, but I love some onion. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Like I said, it doesn't take much salt. Pat that on there. Guys, let's get to the Blackstone and get these on. Come on. Hey guys, you made it. Thank goodness. We're getting ready to put this, you're here just in time. We're getting ready to put these pork chops right here on the Blackstone griddle and get them started. So it doesn't take but a minute for these to cook. We want to take a little bit of our olive oil. Just gonna put it right here. And what we did is we got this side on medium, we got this one on low and this one off, and we're gonna do our broccoli over here on this side in just a second. I'm gonna put that down right there. Gonna take these pork chops. Woo! Listen to that sizzle. And it's only gonna take it just a second. All we're trying to do is get these brown right quick. And we're gonna put our broccoli over here. Got to squirt a bunch of water in here. Cover that up with our pot. Not quite. Leave it on there for just another second. All right, guys. It's only been here like right at 1 minute. Just slightly brown. That's what we're looking for. We just want to get this just brown. I'll leave this on here on the other side for just 1 minute. Woo! She's cooking now. Let's give this broccoli a look. Oh man, it is looking perfect. She's getting there. Won't be long now. All right, guys. The other side's been cooking right at 1 minute. What we'll do is we'll take this off and set them right there. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit more olive oil down, not a whole lot, just a little bit. And we're gonna take some butter. There you go. Ha-ha. Gotta love some butter. Now this is real salted butter, the real thing. And I can't believe it's not that whatever. It is real butter. You gotta have real butter to make this work. I'm telling you. All right, now we're gonna take a pork chop, lay on top of each little pad of butter. Ha-ha. Just like that. Then we're gonna take it, put another piece of butter right on top. I'm telling you, this is gonna be amazing. Ooh, look at that. Gonna let that butter sit right there. All right, guys, these have been cooking right at 1.5 to 2 minutes. Flip it over. Woo, look at that, man. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's take this, now flip it up. Put a little bit of garlic on there. Give her another splash of water. That'll be ready to come up. These will be ready to come up in about another 45 seconds. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our probe, we're gonna hit it. We want these about 142, 145 internal temp. This is our ThermoWorks pen. 126. 126. 136 on that thin one. Woo. That one's 145. So, this one is ready to come off. This broccoli, ready to come off. Ooh, look how beautiful and green that is. Hit this with just a tad bit more garlic powder. Not much, just a little bit. Drop a little butter. Butter. On that broccoli. Let's check our thermopen again. Oh, 145. 149. 150. Let's get these off. Look. How beautiful. some of that butter, all that goodness right there on top. Man. That is an amazing plate of pork chops. Gonna be the best you ever ate. Broccoli, garlic, and powder on the Blackstone. Let's get inside and give this a taste test, guys. Let's go. Guys, we got these off the Blackstone just a minute ago. Give you just a quick recap of what we did. We took our thin pork chops, we injected them with that marinade, injectable marinade that you normally use for turkeys, but we put it on pork chops. Then we put salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder on here. We took it out to the Blackstone, put it on there, put down olive oil, put it on 1 minute for one side, flipped it over a minute on the other side, took them off, put a little more olive oil down, put a big puddle of butter down, laid these pork chops in it, let it cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes on one side. As soon as we put it down, we put a pat of butter on top of each one of these pork chops while they soaked in butter. Then after 1.5 to 2 minutes, we flipped them over with that pat of butter on top, let it cook in butter again for another 1.5 till they reached 142, 145 is what we're looking for. Took them off, let them rest. This thin one got to about 154 degrees. That's the one we're gonna try right there. Just look at all those juices. Just amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, we also did a little broccoli out there. Just put the broccoli down, soaked it in water, set a lid over top of it, and just kind of let it steam. And what we did is we cut that one burner off where the broccoli was. We set the one next to it kind of on low heat, and the other two where the pork chops were cooking were on medium. So anyway, that broccoli was done in the same amount of time. These pork chops, when it all came off, is good and everything was good and hot. Oh man, look at how easy that knife just glides through that pork chop. Super tender. Guys, my mouth is just watering thinking about that. Let's pour a little bit of juice on there, what you say? Woo! Man. Dip a little bit right there. Let's give it a try. Man. Guys, I'm gonna tell you.
Sorry.
That right there. Siri's trying to talk to me. Guys, I'm telling you that right there, that pork chop is amazing. Fantastic. It's tender. The flavor is unreal. Man, anywhere you went out to eat, they would die to serve you a pork chop like that. But we can't let it go without Bo getting a taste, can we, bud? He's sitting here waiting. How about it? You want to taste the pork chop? How about it? Was it good? Yeah, Bo loves it. So it's Bo approved. I'm telling you, if it's Bo approved, you gotta try it. Guys, give this recipe a try. We'd love for you to let us know how it goes. Make some comments down below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. Ring that little bell so you'll be notified every time we got something coming to you from No Coffee Needed. Guys, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Make some comments down below. We love you. Until next time, now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style.